Ladies and gentlemen, Nanjing GS Match 3D printer filament machine takes the video again because the Korean customer tested his machine for the whole day. He wants to know the real capacity and the real quality. He ran the speed faster more and more. Now the speed is 155 rotometer per minute. But the tolerance, but the diameter is also very good. 1.749 like this. This is standard 1.575. Okay, this is die head. Still hot water tank, circulation water tank. No need to add the water again and again. Now, our engineer changed the spools and the storage will move to the tractor. You can see the storage will give you more time to change the spool. And here you can see the laser. It's very, very stable. And the machine now running fast. 你们刚才测的那个是多少？你们看
3分16秒。
哦，差不多了。这现在也基本上是一半的产量。We test a lot of material. Now the capacity is also similar half. The maximum speed is 66.
66.
Yes, for this. Now it's just 30. But